All right, guys, this is Jay, OPKEE Investors, and in this very short video, we want to talk about, and I'm going to put a whole playlist together of just shite, dumb shite. I think that's a better way of putting it. So many times we're blaming the EA, we're blaming the terminal, we're blaming the broker, but sometimes if we look a little bit deeper, some of the smallest things can get past us and get past some of our filters. So as of now, I'm going to put together a daily checklist, which may be even a little bit more than daily. I may check this 3 or 4 times a day to make sure that something didn't happen in the background technologically that can screw up my trades. So before we get started, just want to make sure everyone's absolutely aware of the disclaimer. Bottom line is we are not financial advisors, and this is not financial advice. The only thing that we do is source and test EA's systems for our own portfolio, and you can join in on our journey. So in this short video, I'm going to show you another, and it's hard for me to call it a screw up, but I was just so vested. I was wrong loudly. And I'm going to show you simply what that is. Excuse me, guys. I'm not going to reshoot this thing. Okay, let's take a look at the issue here. Okay, guys, I told you that these are two of my favorite, so far so good, two of my favorite EAs, Forex robots, right? The Friday Pro test and also boring pips. So much so that I went ahead and invested in the non-testing version with the developers themselves. So all of a sudden, I noticed that I've been stuck here for a day or so. Nothing's going on. I check here, my auto trading is on. I check here, my smiley faces is on, but I'm missing one thing that I didn't check, and it's not even on my checklist because automatically I'm programmed to go here and I'm programmed to go here on a daily basis. So what am I missing? Why isn't this thing moving? Check it out, man. We still have no connection, and I have this thing trade copied to a live account because I did so well with using the CoinEx platform, the CoinEx broker, and it actually copies into a couple of my real money accounts. As a matter of fact, it copies into one of my challenge accounts with funded Next, which is a funded account. So what is the one thing that I overlook? And I probably overlooked it several times. And what I do is I go in and I restart my platform, and all I had to do is look at this. Look at that. Guys, no connection. No connection. And I would have made a video at the end of this week summarizing the week saying that, hey man, something's wrong with the platform, something's wrong with the EAs, maybe the EA is not working with this version of the platform. I would have made all kinds of excuses, and it's my own dumb shite. All right, look at this. Guys, this is going on my list. No connection. Not only that one, but there's a no connection here as well. And this one actually had, and this is quantum ticks. But again, I had this going, I had all smiley faces, and look at this, no connection. So all of my CoinEx, my demo accounts, whether I had them live or not, and this one was performing, it's performing quite well, and all here. So I don't know what that's going to tell us once I turn this on. I can't really judge the performance of the EA based on it was a technological issue. So guys, make sure that you know that EA's robots systems, it's not just the EA. You can have technological issues and breakdowns as well. So add this to your, at least checking the connection. Add this, I'll at least check it once a day before I go to bed, if nothing else, but add that to your checklist. So I should be uploading my checklist pretty soon, and then you guys can add to it, take away, and then we'll discuss it when the time comes. Go out there and make some real money. I am out.